Welcome back to another Google Search Console tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the page not indexed issue in Google Search Console. If your web pages are not appearing in Google search results, this step-by-step guide will help you identify the problem and improve your chances of getting your pages indexed. First, log in to your Google Search Console account and select your website. In the left-hand menu, click on Indexing and then choose Pages. Here you'll find a report showing which pages are indexed and which are not. Click on the Page Not Indexed section to view the affected URLs. Next, select one of the URLs and use the URL inspection tool. This tool will tell you why Google hasn't indexed the page. Common reasons include a noindex tag, duplicate content, a soft 404 error, redirects, crawl issues, or pages that Google considers low quality. If the page contains a noindex tag and you want it to appear in search results, remove the tag from your website. Also, check your robots.txt file to make sure Googlebot isn't blocked from crawling the page. If the content is too short or duplicated from another page, improve it by adding unique, valuable information. Google prefers pages that provide useful content and a good user experience. You should also add internal links from other important pages on your website to help Google discover the page more easily. Make sure the page loads correctly without server errors or broken elements. A fast, mobile-friendly page with quality content has a much better chance of being indexed. After fixing the issue, return to Google Search Console, inspect the URL again, and click Request Indexing. Google will review the page, and if everything looks good, it may be added to the search index within a few days or weeks. Finally, ensure your XML sitemap is up to date and includes the page.